Let's bowl off with cricket. The Jamaica Scorpions have a lead of 90 runs at stumps in their second innings on day 2 of their Cricket West Indies regional 4-day match against the Guyana Jaguars at Sabina Park. The Jaguars, who started the day on 75 for 3, were bowled out for 183 inside 60 overs, with Nikita Miller being the pick of the bowlers with 4 for 30 from 14.5 overs. Derval Green also chipped in with 3 wickets, while Reynard Leverage got 2 and Damian Jacobs 1. Veteran batsman Shivnarine Chanderpaul top scored for the Jaguars with an even 50. With the bat, the home side got off to a good start with John Campbell and Asad Fuladin producing a 112-run partnership inside 23 overs. However, wickets started to tumble as the Scorpions lost 5 wickets for 55 runs, with former West Indies under-19 spinner Gudakesh Motikanai removing the sting of Campbell and Brandon King. The Scorpions ended the day on 167 for 5, with Fuladin and Aldain Thomas not out on 61 and 9 respectively.